Brandon here, Red Tree Builders. If you've watched some of our other videos, we've shown some of steep slopes, some with like cutting into a bank. We've never really taken the opportunity to show you one below the road and like just the process during the backfill and building of the foundation. So there's a variable different ways you can do foundations. You can do them out of CMU block walls, pour them full and backfill. You can also backfill with the dirt that you pull out. Well, here in North Carolina, where we build in Western North Carolina, it's a red clay. It's very compactive. It can expand and contract based on its moisture content. Puts a lot of pressure against your walls. So here at Red Tree, here's what we like to do is poured walls. And you'll see behind me, this is all the front side of the house. And you'll see the deck piers also coming out of the ground. And to my left here is the garage. So we got all that poured walls, and on the back side, which you can't see from here, but you will see in here in the B-roll, is we'll be framing that out. So it just comes out enough, and now we're framing that out of traditional lumber. Why do we do poured walls? Our experience is it's a better lasting wall from structural. I don't think there's any question about that. The other piece is moisture. We're here in a temperate rainforest. We're downhill slope, so there's going to be water coming down here, and just that pressure against there. You can see on our walls, we've went in and sprayed a waterproofing membrane and then did a dimple mat. I had to make sure the dimple mat was on there. There's a dimple mat on there as well, so there's some redundancy to make sure we don't have moisture coming in. So we're checking the box on structural to do the best thing structural, because we're looking to build houses that last 100 years. That's part of our green sustainability measures. The second thing is we need to keep moisture out. You see a lot of our videos talking about air tightness, water tightness. That's our number one thing on green building, is focused on water. Well, we can do that all day on the framing of the house, but if we haven't taken care of the foundation. So we're focused on that as well. And then lastly, backfilling with gravel. I'll definitely admit, when I first started building, I would use the dirt we dug out to come back and backfill. Does it work? Sure. And on some slopes and some terrains, that may be a good case. It's a cost savings as well. But here we are. You can see even from here, I'm down slope. We put gravel in. It doesn't put the pressure in. It allows any kind of moisture, water to trickle its way down to our French drains and work its way out. So when you're looking to build here in the mountains, I'd highly recommend a poured wall. Maybe it's a precast wall over a CMU, and then definitely backfilling with gravel. So if you'll see over here to my left on the garage section, we'll be putting gravel in there. Every 12 inches, we'll be doing a compacted lift. That also, another point I just thought about, is allows us, if you put dirt in, you can try to compact it, but it can move mushy based on its moisture. It can then raise up this side when you're packing this side, or it may start settling. And the last thing you want to do is have it settle right by your foundation or in your garage. With gravel, we can come in, pack it, know that we're getting the compaction we need to make sure that that garage slab has no problems, the front of the house has no slope problems, we don't have to come back in and jack things up. So again, building in the mountains has its challenges. There's multiple ways to build. We see it done variable ways, but a lot of times it just, if you've got the ability, the knowledge, quite frankly, that's not a cheap foundation. So it does cost some money to be able to do. This is the way to go about doing it. So thanks for watching. Brandon Bryant, Red Tree Builders. If you've got any more questions about building in the mountains, watch some of my videos. Make sure you send us some comments. But thank you and appreciate you watching.